Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to find the apps installed history on your Play Store. How to find your old apps on your Play Store. So you just installed 10 apps and you just deleted. So you can just find the apps till now by using the Play Store app installed history. So how to find it on your Play Store? And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to find the history of installed apps on the Play Store, installed, how to find the old apps that you just installed and uninstalled on the Play Store. It's easy and simple and it's so useful. So just open your Play Store first. Just click on your profile. Now you just need to click on the app, manage apps and device. So here you will see an option called on the top called overview and manage. Click on this manage option. So here there will be an option called install. Click on this. Here you will see two options will be pop up on the bottom. One was installed and second one was not installed. You just click on not installed, which actually shows that you just deleted this. I just deleted this application on my mobile phone before I just installed the application has been shown here. So you can just swipe down and you can just check all the application. If you just need to install, just select the application and you will see an option called to install. If you don't want this application on this list, you just need to remove the this app history that you has been installed. It's simple. Just tap on the application and you will see an option called remove the selected apps, and it won't appears here, but you can be installed again from the Play Store. This will not show on your history of your application, but it will on the Play Store. You can just install whenever you want. This is so useful. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.